Sir,
5BCD you have done. 5B, if alpha and beta be the roots of equation x square minus px plus q equals to 0. Okay. If alpha beta are the roots of this equation, means what? What can you say about the sum of roots if alpha beta are the roots of x square minus px plus q equals to 0? So a equals to 1, b equals to minus p, and c equals to q. And sum of roots, what will be the sum of roots? Alpha
minus b upon
equals to
minus b by
okay. So let him tell. Minus value of b is minus p upon a. So it is p. Understood? Are you there? And what will be the
yes, sir.
roots? Alpha beta equals to c by a, that is q by 1 equals q by आंसर तो तुरंत दिया करो. Alpha plus beta equals to p and alpha beta equals to q. Now we have to form the equation according to question whose roots are alpha plus beta plus alpha plus beta, alpha beta plus alpha plus beta and alpha beta minus beta. Okay. So for required equation, what are the roots of required equation? For required equation, first root alpha 1. What is the value of first root? It is given in the question. Alpha beta plus beta. Now alpha beta equals to q and alpha plus beta equals to p. Understood? And second root is beta 1 equals to alpha beta minus beta. So if we take minus common, it is alpha plus beta. We name it as beta 1. Now beta 1 equals to value of alpha beta is q and alpha plus beta is p. So the second root is q minus p and first root is p plus q. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
You have understood or not?
yes sir.
And we know that whenever we have to find the equation, what should we use? The required equation is what? Can you tell the formula? X square minus
Sum of roots
sum of roots
into
in
x
x plus
plus product of
Product.
roots.
product of roots equals to 0. It implies x square minus. We have written the roots of required equation as alpha 1 plus beta 1 into x plus product of roots as alpha 1 into beta 1 equals to 0. It implies x square minus. Now alpha 1 is q plus p plus beta 1 is q minus p into x plus alpha 1 is q plus p into q minus p equals to 0. It implies x square minus q plus p plus q minus p into x plus product of these two is q square minus p square equals to 0. It implies x square minus pp cancelled out 2qx plus q square minus p square equals to 0. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5b is doubt or not?
No, sir.
No one has doubt in 5b. What is the answer of 5b?
Sir, 4x square minus 29x plus 25 equals to 0.
Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I have discussed. Answer of 5d,
Sir, doubt.
not 5d. 5d is not. अच्छा ये तो 6th है. 5d, if alpha beta the roots of equation this, find the equation whose roots are alpha square plus beta square and alpha to the power minus 2 plus beta to the power minus 2. Okay. So question number 5d, if alpha beta are the roots of general equation na, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 है ना. So alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a and alpha beta equals to c by a. Okay. This is the question na. And we have to find the equation whose roots are, what are the roots of required equation?
Alpha square plus beta square and alpha to the power minus 2 plus beta to the power minus 2.
Very good. So beta, if we consider alpha 1 as alpha square plus beta square and beta 1 as alpha to the power minus 2 plus beta to the power minus 2. Now, we know that alpha 1, which is alpha square plus beta square, is simplified by using this formula. I have told you all these formulas, na, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, in which we know the value of alpha plus beta minus b by a whole square minus 2 into value of alpha beta is c by
C by
equals to b square by a square minus 2c by a equals to b square minus 2ac upon a square. Understood? And beta 1 is obtained by 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. When we take the LCM, it is alpha square beta square. So numerator is alpha square plus beta square. Understood? Now, alpha square plus beta square we already have calculated, b square minus
B square.
upon a square, or alpha square beta square means alpha beta whole square, and alpha beta is by a, so it is c square by a square. So denominator will be cancelled out. So the other root beta 1 will be, is it visible na?
yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
on cancelling, a square b square minus 2ac upon c square. Now the required equation is, what will be the required equation? X is
Sir, x square.
sum of
X
roots
square
plus
minus
product
sum
of
of
roots.
roots into x plus 2.
It implies x square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 into x plus alpha 1 into beta 1 is the product of roots of required equation. So x square minus sum of roots alpha 1 plus beta 1. Alpha 1 is b square minus 2ac upon
2ac by a
a
square
square plus beta 1 is b square minus 2ac
minus 2a
b square
c square
c square.
c square.
वही तो लिखा है, छोड़ लिखा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
फिर क्या झूठ बोल रही है?
नहीं नहीं सर, आज वो नेटवर्क इशू बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है.
डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है, अच्छा इसलिए. हमारी तो गलती नहीं थी ना.
नहीं नहीं सर, वो हमने पहले बोला था, वो आवाज बाद में पहुंची होगी इसलिए.
ठीक है, ठीक. ओके, इट इम्प्लाइज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एलसीएम ले लो, सिंप्लीफाई तो करना ही पड़ेगा. ए स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर, तो सी स्क्वायर इंटू बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac प्लस ए स्क्वायर इंटू बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac इंटू एक्स प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac होल स्क्वायर ओवर a square c square equals to 0. Okay. It implies multiply throughout with a square c square. A square c square x square minus इसमें क्या आएगा भाई? बहुत सिंपल सा b square c square minus 2ac cube plus a square b square minus 2a cube c and plus b square minus 2ac whole square equals to 0, which is the answer. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Means you have problem when there are constant coefficients, na unknowns are there. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
कुछ नहीं, जितना कर पाओ उतना सिंप्लीफाइड, मोस्ट सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में करना होता है. हो गया तो काम खत्म हो गया अपना, है ना? ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
थोड़े हम लोग इसको कर सकते हैं. अभी तुम लोग 11th में आए, इसमें इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा होंगे, इनमें अननोन्स होंगे बहुत सारे, जैसे ABCD. अब ये क्या है? कोफिशिएंट्स है. ठीक, फिर नेक्स्ट में भी है, इसके 5E में क्या आंसर आया भाई? 5E आ गया सबको? आंसर ऑफ 5E. हाँ?
Yes, sir. Sir, x square plus 2x minus 63 equals to 0.
X square
Plus 2x minus 63 equals to 0.
is it correct? Everyone is getting the same answer. Reply at least. If the roots are irrational, they occur in form of pairs of rationalizing factors. Understood? So in question number 5F, if one of the root alpha is given as 1 plus root 3, okay, the other root beta will be 1 minus root 3, okay? Is that clear to you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Question number 5F, alpha is given as 1 plus root 3, so other root beta will be given as 1 minus, means it is not given, but we will consider it directly, as irrational roots always occur in the form of pair of rational
Right.
factors. Okay, so equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equals to,
Product.
it implies x square minus 1 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 into x plus 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 equals to 0. It implies x square minus root 3 cancelled out, 2x
Sir,
minus
2x
3 equals to 0. It implies x square minus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now 5G, what will be the answer for 5G?
Sir, x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0.
5G. Alpha beta are the roots of this equation, then find the equation. Array 5G. This is. Acha, the roots are 3 minus 2i. So if roots are complex, then also they exist in conjugate complexes. If one of the root is 3 minus 2i, other will be
3 plus 2i.
3 plus 2i. Okay. And answer is then x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus product of roots equals to 0. That is x square minus 3 minus 2i plus 3 plus 2i into x plus 3 minus 2i into 3 plus 2i equals to 0. It implies x square minus 2i cancelled out, 6x plus 9 minus 4i square equals to 0. It implies x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 4 equals to 0, means 9 plus 4, 13. Is that clear to you? Is the answer same?
Yes, sir.
5G. What everyone? Next 5H. What will be the answer of 5H?
Sir, x square minus 10x plus 22 equals to 0.
X square minus 10x plus
10x 22.
22. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct, everyone? Okay. Then 5i. What is the answer of 5i?
X square minus a
8x. Very good.
plus 25 is equal to 0.
Yes, correct. Very good. J.
Sir, x square minus 8x plus 18 equals to 0.
Is it correct? What happened? बोलो नहीं आया. क्वेश्चन आया है तो बोल दो फट से. आंसर नहीं आया तो फटाक से बोलो नहीं आया. क्वेश्चन ना आना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. क्वेश्चन ना लगाना बहुत बेकार बात है. If alpha beta are the roots of equation x square minus 2x plus 3. Question number 5J ना. x square minus क्या है?
X square minus 2x plus 3.
Okay. Equals to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots. So alpha plus beta तो निकाला होगा. It is 2. Alpha beta equals to c by a. So it is 3. Okay. And we have to find the equation whose roots are. What are the roots?
3 and
Alpha
beta
plus
plus 3.
3 and beta plus 3. Okay. So alpha 1 equals to alpha plus 3, beta 1 equals to beta plus 3. Okay. So equation is x square minus sum of roots
2x
into x plus product of roots equals to 0. Okay. So it is x square minus alpha 1 is alpha plus 3. Okay. Beta 1 is beta plus 3 into x plus alpha 1 into beta 1 equals to 0. It implies x square minus alpha plus beta plus 6 into x plus alpha beta plus 3 alpha plus 3 beta 3 common ले लो and plus 3 3s are 9 equals to 0. Understood? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So x square minus अब alpha plus beta value 2 and 2 plus 3 6 8x plus alpha beta is 3 plus 3 into alpha plus beta 3 2 is 6 plus 9 equals to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 18 equals to 0. Understood? समझ में आया ना भाई सबको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next 5k is not there. So 6th A. Any doubt in 6th A?
सर इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
सॉल्व करिए बताएं. क्या थोड़ी था. Sixth A is find the number of real values of A. तो क्या है आंसर तुम्हारा क्या है? For which
सर 2.
equation is else? क्या क्या आया?
सर 2 आया।
मतलब 2 आंसर्स आए हैं। क्वेश्चन देखो पढ़ो, फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ ए। सो ए हैज 2 वैल्यूज।
सर +2 and -2.
मींस इट हैज 2 वैल्यूज।
Yes, sir.
Let's check. So first question, a square minus, read the identity. A square
A square minus 3a plus
2
into
into
x square
uh,
plus a square minus 5a plus 6
into x plus square minus
a
4 equals to 0. यही ना? Is an identity. It is given that it is an identity. And what is the condition for an identity? Have I told you? Identity means what? If the given equation is an identity, it means coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of x equals to constant term equals to 0. Have I told you this or not? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So use it. Means coefficient of x square. A square minus 3a plus 2 equals to 0. Find the factors. A minus 1 into a minus 2 equals to 0. Means a equals to 1 or 2. Okay. Again, coefficient of x is also 0, means a square minus 5a plus 6 equals to 0. If you find the coefficient, sorry, if you find the factors, a minus 3 into a plus 2 equals to 0, it implies a equals to 3 or a equals to minus 2. Okay. Third condition, constant term means a square minus 4 is also 0. If you find the factors, a plus 2 into a minus 2 equals to 0, it implies a equals to minus 2 or plus 2. Understood? So how many values are there? How many
So 4.
are there?
Yes, sir.
How many values of a are there?
So 4.
You are observing 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 values, na?
Yes, sir.
But all will not make them 0 together. If we substitute a equals to 1, is that clear to you? If we substitute a equals to 1, it will make this term 0. But this will not be 0 and this will also be not 0. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
A equals to 1 is inadmissible. Okay. Similarly, if you use a equals to 3, it will also not make all of them together 0. It will make only coefficient of x as 0, as it is the coefficient of x. है ना? सिर्फ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x को ही ये 0 कर पाएगी तो आइडेंटिटी नहीं हुई, इनको भी 0 नहीं कर पाएगी, इसको भी नहीं कर पाएगी, तो ये भी कैंसिल हो गई. दिस इज आल्सो इनएडमिसिबल. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
तीसरे वाले में भी देखिए, हम a इक्वल्स टू -2 अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो सिर्फ तीसरे को 0 कर पाएगी. फर्स्ट का कोफिशिएंट जो है a स्क्वायर माइनस 3a प्लस 2, इसको भी 0 नहीं करेगी और सेकंड के कोफिशिएंट को भी 0 नहीं करेगी. लेकिन 2 एक ऐसी वैल्यू है, अच्छा ये -2 है ना, ठीक है, इसे +2 लिख दो. किसने लिखवाया था? कौन सी का तुम लिखवा रही थी क्या? तो a इक्वल्स टू 2 is making coefficient of x square 0, is making coefficient of x 0, and constant term is also 0, means a equals to 2 is the answer. Is that clear to you? So,
Yes, sir.
value of a, which is 2. Okay, only one value of a is making it an identity. Understood everyone? Is that
Yes, sir.
Negative.
So negative.
negative? Okay. Negative.
Yes.
What is the value of alpha beta?
C by.
Okay. Now C is P into P minus 1 upon 3 is less than 0. Means 3 is positive, so we can multiply. P into P minus 1 is less than 0. Now, what will be the method now? Huh? I told you. 2 zeros. 1 0 is P equals to 0. Another 0 is P equals to 1. Okay. So select a point which is less than 0. Let it be minus 1. To check for minus 1 whether it is giving positive or negative. Check it directly now. If you put P equals to minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1,
Yes.
it is positive. Okay.
It's
This one is positive. Again, second, when we take a point between 0 to 1, like half. Half into half minus 1 means half into minus half. It will be negative. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And next will be positive. Always, if we start with plus, alternately plus minus plus occurs. Okay. You can check also if you take a point greater than 1, it is 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 is 2, which is positive. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And we have to
yes.
bring the negative. Hai na? So answer lies between 0 to 1. Is that clear to you? Now there is no need to draw the table as I have discussed in last time. This was to make you understand this concept. Hai na? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
P lies between 0 to 1, excluding both. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Question number C. Got it? Six C. What is the answer of 6C? Huh?
So P equals to 1.
Q equals to minus 2.
P 1 Q equals to minus 1. Is it correct? Okay. Okay, next D. D is not there. E, what is the answer of 6th E? 6th E.
So doubt. So doubt.
Doubt. Okay. So the question is, (16 x square plus 12x plus 39 plus k into 9x square minus 2x plus 11 is a perfect square. I have told you a rule that if ax square plus bx plus c is a perfect square, then discriminant equals to 0. Have I not told you? Huh? Look at the notes. Have I told you?
Yes, sir.
Look at the notes. First point is when discriminant is 0, then roots are equal and ax square plus bx plus c is a perfect square. So first change it to ax square plus bx plus c. Means 16x square plus 12x plus 13 and open the bracket plus 9kx square minus 2kx plus 11k. Okay. Now write the terms of x square together. 16x square plus 9kx square. So 16 plus 9k x square. Write the terms of x together and take x common from them. 12 minus 2k into x plus constants together. 39 plus 11k. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, a equals to 16 plus 9k, b equals to 12 minus 2k, c equals to 39 plus 11k. Now, if ax square plus bx plus c is a perfect square, then what? Discriminant will be 0. That is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That is 12 minus 2k whole square minus 4 into 16 plus 9k into c equals to 0. Is that clear to you? It implies 144 plus 4k square minus 12 to the 24 to the 48k minus 4 into first multiply these two brackets. So 39 for the 156 for the 624 है ना, plus 39 9 the 351k plus 9 11 the 99k plus 11 9 the, sorry, it is 16 into 11k है ना, 176k plus 11 9 the 99k square, correct, equals to 0, and it implies 144 plus 4k square minus 48k minus 2496 plus 1404, sorry, minus है ना, minus 1404k minus 176 for the 704k minus 99 for the 396k square equals to 0. It implies now 4k square minus 392 minus 392k square. Okay. Then minus 48k minus 1452 minus 2156. Okay. Correct na? Plus 144 2352 equals to 0. Is it correct?